thank you, Dr. May, to welcome us in your area. Very nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. So you provide lecturing and training in the field of dog training in sporting dog.
Yep.
And can you tell me more about the specific topic you address and the profile of your student?
You know, I don't have a specific topic. I have a field that I work in and that I move around a lot. And my field of expertise is the apparatus of movement. It's skeleton, it's muscles, it's brain, it's coordination, it's everything. As I am a veterinarian specifically trained in physiotherapy and acupuncture, I started with take away the pain. And then I tried to move over to prohibit pain, prevent pain, make the dog as sound, as healthy as possible so that pain does not occur. And so I ended in dog training. And that's the field I'm walking around right now. And I take whoever is interested is on my side. I have a lot of classes where veterinarians mix with trainers, with breeders, or just one owner who has a massage studio for humans at home and wants to know more about her own dog. So I like to work with different people on different levels, and I really encourage them to exchange their expertise, because I think if we finally would become able to share our knowledge, we would make it bigger. So I have a lot of different topics all around this pain, movement, sports, beautiful dogs, healthy dogs, old dogs, puppies. I do a lot of puppy information, and a lot of different students, pupils, followers, whatever you will call them.
Okay, yes. So you told me you work for dogs with no pain to improve when they show, when they
And
perform.
I had the wonderful opportunity to work with some of the best sporting dogs in the world. I have a lot of different disciplines, world champions in my hands sometimes. And in order to have a dog, a great dog, do great things, you really have to bring them to shine. You have to help them to move the best they can. And training is one part, that is not my part, but supervising the training and collecting data to see if the training is as effective as it's possible, that is my part.
Okay, yes, and collect this data you do with Tendiboots.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm very happy that I have my Tendiboots now,
okay.
So that I can really collect data in numbers. And what I love most are the bars, the red and green bars, so I can show it to my owners. Yeah, I can say, look, we did improve. We are much more green right now than we are red.
Okay.
So that's perfect.
Okay, super great. Thank you for this feedback. And so you have this a part of your activity with a known painful dog, but also you have a part for the rehabilitation of dog with neurologic pain of this kind of thing.
I did a lot of neurology and rehab after neurological problems, because if you see a dog that suffers from the afterwork of a neurological problem, of a disc blown out, for example, that was paraplegic, there's only one thing how you can bring him back to walk, and that's walking exercise. Let them walk and help them walk, and I did a lot of that. I don't do that anymore because I'm retired in this part of my profession. Yeah.
Okay, and now you provide a lot of lecturers and trainings. Online and also at
in presence. At
your place also. Okay, and you just launched as with Dogtish Academy a new course about canine gait analysis.
Yeah, canine gait analysis, but only also canine gait optimization.
Okay.
let's have a look how the dog moves and make it better, make it more beautiful, make it more expressive, make it more powerful, make it faster, whatever.
Okay, and you also have a project with equine. You told me.
Yeah, but with the equine wellness is one of my major interest points from long time ago that goes with me for the last 40 years, I think. So that will be one of my next programs. Yep.
Okay, okay, interesting. And so you already told talk about the Tendiboots Canine. You also introduce this device in your training to help trainers to choose perhaps the best exercise and see how the dog evolve in the
Exactly.
time.
We want to have some data to have the starting point. Our goal would be, I don't know, World Championship in October. So we have 6 months time. How can we deal with that? How can we work on that? And that's what we do with the data we collect. And the boots, of course, are a very powerful instrument to help us with that.
Okay, interesting. And do you train them also to look the swing phase, the stand phase, etc., or now
That
you keep this kind of information for you? Or?
No, I don't. I don't keep any information for me. Whenever I have the feeling that the trainer is concentrated enough and interested enough, I don't keep any information for me. I share this, of course, and they can learn that in my programs as well, because that's what I'm talking about in my online program.
Okay, okay, super great. So we are exciting to see all your new
Oh,
projects,
you're welcome.
and we will
And I
follow
hope
you.
I hope we will do it together.
Yes, yes,
That
for
would be
sure.
perfect.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Thank you.